In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and hitting More Connections. Now tap on Print. Select any print service you like, or hit the default print service, and whatever you decided, make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can also choose More at the bottom right corner. Hit Add Printer to tap on Wi-Fi Direct on the right, and if your printer is equipped with Wi-Fi Direct option, it will appear over here after searching. If it's not, you can also choose Add IP address on the left, input it here, and choose Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!